The Toltec Shamans say that everything is dependent in your life on how much energy you have. I'd like to show you a shamanic technique to unplug the world matrix from your light body, otherwise known as your auric field. Just take a moment and close your eyes. This will be very short practice. And feel the space around your body, which is your light body. And then repeat after me. I release, rescind, nullify, and cancel any hooks, tendrils, cords, plugs into my light body from anything foreign or external and from the world. And I reclaim my sovereignty now in the name of the I Am Presence. Take a deep breath and inhale light into your body. And exhale any foreign or heavy energy. And allow this detoxification and purification to continue. For more teachings like this, please join me in my monthly subscription to my body of work, Integrating Infinity, how we can literally integrate the absolute or the God presence that we are within ourselves. It's super affordable. You can cancel at any moment. And you can receive many more teachings of this nature. You can see the link in the comments or go to my website, isalaramarie.com. Sending you so much love.